Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make dosa batter. I'll be using Instant Pot.A's blender for making the batter and Instant Pot for fermenting. Let's look at the ingredients for making dosa. Urad Dal 1 cup, rice 2 cups, Chana Dal 1 tablespoon, Fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon. Chana Dal and Fenugreek seeds are optional. Fenugreek seeds helps the batter ferment faster and also helps it taste better. Chana Dal adds crispiness to the dosa. Now I'm gonna soak rice, dal and fenugreek seeds. And these need to be soaked in water for around 5 to 8 hours. I have let this soak in water for 6 hours. Now I'm going to drain the water. Now I'll add these into the blender. This will require around 3 cups of water. I'll add 1 cup of water. Now close the lid. Make sure you set it right on the base. Now I'm gonna turn on pulse mode on high. It is going to beep 3 times and then start the pulsing. After running it for a minute, add another cup of water. Now again turn on pulse mode and turn on high. After 2 minutes, click pause and add another half cup of water. Now turn it on again. It's perfectly done. It's at a right consistency. So I'm gonna transfer this into a bowl and let it ferment overnight. Now I'm gonna transfer it into my Instant Pot and I'll let this ferment overnight in yogurt mode. Now I'll close the lid, turn on Instant Pot and put it in yogurt mode. And I'm gonna leave the whistle in venting mode. I have left the batter overnight for around 8 hours. Now I'm going to open the lid. You can see that the batter has fermented well. You can see the air bubbles. It's at a perfect consistency. Now I'm going to move it into another bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. And the batter is ready for the dosas. Now let's see how to make masala for masala dosa. Let's look at the ingredients. Oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, chana dal 1 tablespoon, urad dal 1 tablespoon, 3 slit green chili, curry leaves, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half an onion diced, salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 potatoes diced. First, I am going to pressure cook the potatoes using pot-in-pot method. Add potatoes into a bowl and add water till they are submerged in the water. And close the lid. Add around 1 cup of water to the inner pot. Place the potatoes and close the lid. Now turn on manual and set it to 4 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. 4 minutes is done. So now I'm going to do the quick release. Potatoes are cooked well. Now I'll drain the water. Now turn on saute mode and wait for the inner pot to heat up. Pot is hot, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. After they splutter, add cumin seeds. Add Urad Dal and Chana Dal. Now add curry leaves and green chilies. Add onions. The onions don't need to be cooked completely for this dish. So add salt. Salt will make the onions cook faster. Add turmeric powder. After a minute, add ginger garlic paste. Now add potatoes. After a minute, add coriander powder. Now it's ready to be served. This is Podi dosa. Take kandi podi and drizzle it all over the dosa. This is onion dosa. Now I'm going to make chocolate dosa. This is something that we saw when we were traveling to North Carolina and my daughter instantly loved it. So I took some Nutella and microwaved it for 10 seconds so that it's a little liquidy and it will help you spread it. And now I'm gonna spread the Nutella all over the dosa.